Today we will be discuss about difference between OOPs and POPs in Java, object-oriented programming and procedure programming. Both are used to develop the application. Both are them are high-level, most high-level programming language. This are two are very most important concept, and it also important to know the difference between them. We will discuss the comparison between POPs and OOPs. The OOPs is a programming language that is derived from structural programming and based upon the concept of calling procedure, and it follow a step-by-step approach in order. In breakdown task into setup variable. OOPs concept is object-oriented programming is to compare programming design philosophy, that is organized or model software design around the data or object rather than function and logic. The OOPs it is a less accurate than the POPs is less than secure. The OOPs in OOPs is data hiding is possible in the concept, in the abstraction, so it is a more secure than procedural programming. In POPs, if the follow top-down approach, in OOPs is follow bottom-up approach. In POPs, data moving freely within the system from one function to the another. In OOPs, object can be moved and communicate with each other via member function. In POPs it is a structure or procedure oriented. In POPs it is object oriented. In POPs there are no access modifier. The access modifier is used in OOPs in are named as private, public, protected, and so as in POPs there is no code reusability present. In OOPs is offer code reusability by using the features of inheritance. Thank you.